This is Drew with Boomer Music Company, your band and orchestra experts since 1976. We have here with us David Smalley, who is our repair shop manager, and he's going to talk a little bit about trumpet maintenance. So, David, what tips can you offer for maintenance that are really simple to do at home that will keep your trumpet in tip-top shape?
The easiest thing for you to do at home is obviously just to keep your instrument clean. Using an over-the-counter trumpet snake, just kind of running it through the lead pipe and through the slides occasionally, and as well as keeping the valves lubricated and the slides lubricated. As long as everything is moving, your trumpet will be maintenance-free for you.
So what products are the best ones to use to keep them lubricated?
Today, the number of products available is staggering, and it comes down to personal preference. Pretty much anything you buy in a music store will not harm your instrument. Whether it's synthetic or organic oils, it doesn't really matter. It comes down to personal preference. The one thing I would caution you not to use is something that isn't designed for your instrument. Buying a bottle of lamp oil may be okay, but we don't exactly know what's in it. As well as you never want to use a cooking oil on slides or valves. It tends to gum up everything, and then you have to come see me because your valves and slides will no longer move.
So I'm a trumpet player, you're a horn player. I mean, we play brass. I switched to synthetic oil a long time ago just because that was the right choice for me. If you're using an organic and then switch to synthetic, is that going to be a problem?
It can be, but doesn't have to be. I would say as a word of caution, always clean off any residual oil before putting or switching types on your trumpet. If you can just run a swab through your casings and wipe down the surface of your pistons, and then you can switch back and forth without any worry. Old school synthetic oils would tend to seize up and stop your valves from working instantly. The new stuff doesn't tend to do that, but an ounce of prevention is always better.
And I know we offer here at the shop full chem cleans and sonic clean and things like that. How often do you think a player would need to do a service of that kind?
Typically, we recommend doing that service at least once a year. At that point, once we kind of get used to seeing your instrument, we can maybe better advise you. Sometimes, some players it's 2 years, some players it's every year, some it's even every 6 months. It just kind of depends on your body chemistry and how it reacts with your instrument.
All right. Any final thoughts of things that the player should be aware of?
Never try to just force anything. If something's stuck, just give us a call, swing it on by. We know how to get things unstuck without causing extra damage. If you get a piston stuck and you try to remove it with force or a tool, you might destroy your piston or damage something else. The same with a slide. And of course, we all know if you get a mouthpiece stuck and you don't have a mouthpiece puller, bring it by. We pull all those things for free. If we can save you a headache and a costly repair, we're happy to do that.
Yeah, and for those that don't know, on the Boomer YouTube channel, I did a video on that actually showing what will happen eventually if you don't use the mouthpiece puller. So we used a stunt trumpet on that one, don't worry. All right. Well, thank you so much for sharing your expertise on this. And for those of you out there who think your trumpet might need some maintenance or want additional tips, feel free to contact us or swing by the store. If you need help with instruments, repairs, sheet music, or anything band or orchestra, reach out to us at boomermusiccompany.com. And if you like what you hear, do me a favor and tell a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and subscribe to our e-newsletter so you will never miss another video or podcast. This is Drew with Boomer Music Company. Thank you for listening.